Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing an isolated environment so dependencies don't collide. Create a virtual env, activate it, then install the Panda Uc package and its requirements. This gives you the exact runtime. Once done, run the test suite to verify the codebase is healthy and to catch version mismatches early. Make sure to note any failing tests and their tracebacks. Those indicate missing system libs or incompatible package versions that you must resolve before continuing. You now configure runtime parameters, either edit config, YAML, or export env variables for keys and endpoints because the library reads those at startup. Next, load your dataset using the provided load function or Panda's read routines and validate schema fields so transformations don't misalign columns. Once validation passes, call the process entry point. This runs the core transforms and writes outputs. If you need traceability, enable verbose logging so each function and row-level action appears in the logs for inspection. You finish by exporting results to the sink you configured, CSV, Parquet, or directly to a database, using the library's export helpers. Once export is verified, add automated CI checks including tests and linters, then deploy the package or container. If something goes wrong, reproduce the error locally with the same config. Check verbose logs and stack traces to isolate the failing function. A reliable tip: wrap suspect transformations with small unit tests to pinpoint the exact input that triggers the bug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.